Hi there, Robin here with UGEM. Today I want to give you a closer look at SUBCRAFT. SUBCRAFT is an 808 and sub-bass instrument with built-in loops, creative effects, and a kick drum engine. But what makes this plugin so unique is that every possible bass tone that comes out of SUBCRAFT has been precisely tuned, processed, and mixed by our professional audio engineers to maximize bass power and consistency. That means both higher and lower notes have a similar impact and cut to the mix. Let me show you. So I've got this trap loop right here that is still missing an 808. Let's change that. To start off, let's hear what my bass line sounds like with the starting preset of SUBCRAFT. That's already sounding great, and the bass really keeps its power throughout the whole sequence. But there are a few things that I want to change for this specific song. If you listen to the 808, you will notice that there is a kick sample in front of every bass tone. You can find the kick engine here to the left, where I can choose from different kick samples. The kick engine can make the creative process a lot faster. But in my case, I already have a kick sample in my beat, so I can just turn off the integrated kick sample like this and use only the bass inside of SUBCRAFT. Also, in this case, I would like my bass to be shorter to give it more bounce. And to do that, I just come here into the bass details and turn the length down, like so. Great, but let's add some character to the 808, some dirt. And for this, let's look at this large hexagonal pad over here. This is what we call the terrain. It functions like an XY pad to control the tone of the bass, going from soft to rough to even distorted or noisy, while sounding entirely unique at every single position of the pad. Take a listen while I play around with it. Okay, we have a very good basis right now, but I still want to give it a creative effect to really make the sound unique. And for this, let's take a look at the effects area over here. Here I can choose from several different effects with creative combinations of distortion, noise, EQ filter, chorus, or bit crushing. Here's what they sound like. So you saw that there are a lot of options to customize your bass. There is no need to design every bass sound from scratch. SUBCRAFT comes with a variety of presets that instantly make your bass sound good, reaching from a standard 808 to a hard growling bass. Also, the sounds that you just heard were applied on an 808 bass line that I created. But sometimes we don't want to spend too much time on finding a good bass line. That's why UGEM integrated a bunch of different bass loops into SUBCRAFT to make that process faster and easier. Let me show you how you can use them. To hear the loops, you can either press on the play button here or play a C2 until E2 on your keyboard. You can also change the whole set of loops here in the browser, but let's stay with this one here. I'm just gonna draw in the notes that trigger the loops in my piano roll and put my bass notes in front of it to tell the plugin which note to use for the next loop. You can get SUBCRAFT now on ujam.com, and please feel free to also watch the other videos on SUBCRAFT where I explore the sound of this great plugin even more. Thanks for watching.